Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device and accounts. Sign into your Google account inside the Play Games app, then open Shadow Fight 4. Once done, look for the Google Play Games sign-in prompt inside the game. Tap Connect. If the prompt does not appear, force close and reopen Shadow Fight 4 and make sure Play Games is running. You need Wi-Fi or mobile data and about 1 GB free storage so saves and sync complete without interruption. Now you complete the connection flow inside the game. When the Play Games window appears, select your Google profile and grant permissions. Accept the account, save, and basic profile access. Make sure to confirm cloud save when prompted, because that ensures progress sync. If you see an account switch option, pick the profile tied to your previous saves, then tap OK. Once Play Games shows you as connected, return to the main menu and wait for the cloud. Finish by validating the link in Shadow Fight 4 settings. Open Settings, select Account, and verify Google Play Games shows as connected. If it does, load a match to confirm progress syncs to the cloud. If it did not connect, clear the game cache, update Google Play Services, or reinstall Play Games. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure Google Play Services is updated and your device time is correct. Mismatched time or disabled Play Services often block sign-in and cloud sync.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.